Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jen, and today I have another Natalie Attired celebration collection. This is my third one. I am addicted to it because it's a great deal. There's a little snapshot. First of all, really grateful to everyone who watched my music video from our first single for our band, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. So anyways, celebration collection. So what this is right now they're not doing a style box. Usually they do have a style box that works very much like Stitch Fix. I do have a referral link below if you want to try it once things are over, but they are not doing the style box right now. So it's just this celebration collection, which is 3 items that are yours to keep for $57 plus $10 shipping. Now, you can decide within 3 days that you want to send them all back. You can only send them all back, and they will refund you the $57. You will be out shipping to be sent to you and shipping back. So that is the only thing you're out, so you can try it almost risk-free. You might be out like 20 bucks. So I really enjoyed my first 2 boxes of this. My first one was actually my favorite. Here's a card to the first one. I was really fantastic. Second one had some pieces that didn't quite fit me as well. This one I asked for more springy type items, and I can tell that that is definitely what I got. So I am excited to try this. Let's see what's inside. Go ahead and dig right in. Oh, and referral links or referral codes do not, the $25 does not apply to this. So if you use my referral link, that's just for once this stuff is over and they start doing their style box again, presumably that they will. You know, it'll be interesting to see what comes back once things are over. So hopefully this will definitely come back to the normal style box, but let's go ahead and dig right in. Okay, this is by Velvet Heart. And this is a short sleeve button-up shirt with embroidery on it. This is 0% me. Not a fan of this. I don't see myself wearing it. I mean, the embroidery is very pretty, and I think that they have, this goes with a pair of pants that I got in this, so you know, I'm interested to see them together, but just looking at this, I feel like it's very much not me. I also don't like that there's embroidery right here on the front with this over the chest. You know, look at the placements, don't seem ideal. We'll see once it gets on me if I still feel that way, but the placements are not ideal. Okay, next up, this is pretty. This is by Skies Are Blue. This is a striped tank top with some yellow throughout it, yellow embroidery on it, and yellow tassel. So I think that's very pretty. I even like that line here on the back with a little bit of ruching here. So very cute, very springy. I'm gonna try these on with probably a white pair of pants so you guys can see that together. So that is cute. And then by Tribal Jeans, this is exciting. This is an ankle jegging, and it looks to be like a medium or high rise. I can't really tell for sure, so we'll see once it gets on. I do not have any jeans this color. Seems like it has a good stretch to it. Doesn't seem to be too long. And these are clean, so I could wear these to work. Presumably I will go back to work one of these days. So very cute, very pleased with these, and I'm excited to try them. So how about we go ahead and get these on? Okay guys, so first outfit here, we have this embroidered top and the jeans. Now let's start with the jeans. I really like these. Now they're good length, so I don't have lots of extra room. I wouldn't necessarily need to roll them depending on what type of shoe I was wearing with them. They are a high rise, so it goes almost all the way up to my belly button. Not a lot of extra room here. Very comfortable. I'm very pleased with these. I mean, I feel like I've got they have a nice looseness to them almost. I mean, they're skinny, but they just don't feel as tight as potentially other pants do. So they feel really good. So really happy with these. These are probably going to be the star of the box for me. The top, this is not me. So I will probably attempt to sell this. We'll see if that goes. This placement wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. It's higher than I expected, so that's good. but this is just not something I would ever reach for. So, okay, let's go to the last top. Okay, so here we go with this top, and I just paired it with a pair of white shorts. I think it actually would have been better with a pair of white pants because it's longer and it just, there's barely any short peeking out. So, whoops. But anyways, it is one that you really would have to wear this way. It's not going to tuck well because it's a stiffer shirt, but it fits great up here. So that's really nice. I think it's cute and summery. I don't know, will I reach for this a lot? I'm not quite sure, but I do like it. I'll give you guys a look at kind of the embroidery on it and the little tassels. So it's cute. I like it. There we go. What do you guys think? This one, I'd very much like to get your guys' opinions on what you think. So, okay, let's talk about what the original prices of these pieces are, because they do send you an invoice so you can see what it originally cost and you go, woo, I'm getting a great deal. So let's go do that now. Okay, let's talk about the original prices and how we feel about things and our lives. Now, first of all, this dress, little cross promotion for my Trendsend video coming up. So if you like clothes, you should subscribe to see all my unboxings. I've got lots of videos coming up. So anyways, okay, so this is the velvet top, what was it, velvet and heart or something like that, I believe. Originally $49. I am definitely going to try to sell this. We'll see. Just not my style. So if any of you guys want it, you know, hit me up. I got my email address below. Okay, then we have the Skies Are Blue sleeveless V-neck, and this was $46. I think this is cute. This will be a nice spring summery top with some white dress pants or light colored jeans or whatever. Maybe even dark colored jeans might look nice. So, okay, and then we have the tribal 5-pocket pant, usually $89. So I love this. Really happy with these. So the entire box is usually $184. Again, I got it for $67 with shipping. So to me, this was the star. I like the striped top. I think I will wear it. And the other one I will try to sell. So that is a successful video, in my opinion. So let me know what you guys think. This celebration collection thing, I think, is just going to last. Right now, I think they said until April 15th. We'll see if they extend it beyond that. I think I'm done for now because I've done 3 of them and, you know, this stuff adds up, but we'll see. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you are not subscribed, and hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.